Here's a great deal on a 2015 Subaru Legacy. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front dual-zone air conditioning, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.